Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this macrame star. Supplies I will be using are a 2-inch wooden ring, some scissors, beads optional at the end I will show you, and some 4mm single strand macrame cord. To start this project, you will need to cut 15 cords at 40 inches long. Once you have all your cords cut, grab that 2-inch wooden ring and you are going to fold your cords evenly in half and attach them to your wooden ring using a lark's head knot. Now that you have all of your cords attached to your wooden ring, make 5 sections of 3 cords in each section, just as this shows. This is optional, but I like to tape down the top section so that way my cord does not go anywhere while I am trying to knot. For this first section, you are going to take those 2 outer cords and you are going to make 2 square knots around those 4 filler cords. You have 1 square knot, and now you will place 1 more square knot below that. Once those square knots are done, you are going to separate evenly those cords. You should have 3 cords on each side. Using the 2 outer cords from one section, you are going to make 4 square knots around that 1 filler cord. Once you have your 4 square knots on one side, you are going to repeat the same thing on the other side by taking the 2 outer cords and making 4 square knots. Once you have finished that, you are going to repeat the exact same process with the remaining 4 sections of your cords. This is what your star should look like once you have completed those first steps. Next, you're going to take what I like to call a little arm from each section, and you are going to secure those together using a square knot. You will repeat that process with each arm all the way around your star. Now that your star is fastened, you're going to grab 2 center cords from one of your star's points and you will create a knot. This will be your hanging cord. Now this is the fun part. You can choose to make the stars longer if you would like, or this is where you can also add beads to the end of each star point. I will show you at the end what it looks like with beads, but for now I am going to just trim up the stars a little bit just to the length that I would like. You could go longer or you could go shorter. Once you're done trimming your star, you can leave it as is. I am going to brush them all out and then I will make a wrap knot just to secure the little star ends together. Again, you can choose to leave it like this, but I'm going to take a piece of scrap cord and make a wrap knot around each point of the star. And here is what your star will look like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Again, this is what it will look like if you choose to add beads at the end of it. Gives it a little different look. Both are so pretty. I hope this helped you and enjoy making your macrame stars. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more macrame tutorials from Angie's Crafts and Creations. Happy macrameing, makers!